And then I'm going to wash my hands and put the ketchup on top. And because this is ground beef, there's going to be fat coming out of it. Even though this is lean ground beef. So this gives that chance to do that. So we're going to cook it in the Hamilton Beach. And I'm going to show you that. We're going to finish this. Oh. I'm going to finish this recipe up. Okay, and now for the next phase. Alright, ketchup. Now, alright. Okay, now we've got that and we got ketchup upside down. Put a good nice thick layer of the ketchup on there. Take your knife and spread it all over. You just want to see the ketchup on top. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll put this away. Now this is all ready for the oven. Now we're going to cook it in our Hamilton Beach roaster. We're going to finish this up on part 2. And I'm going to cook it at 350 degrees. I'm going to check it with the meat thermometer after 1 hour. And if it's not done, I'm going to check it by what the meat thermometer tells me. And between an hour and an hour and a half. But usually about an hour, and it's usually fully done. Okay, so there it is. So feel free to share, feel free to subscribe, and as always, the fun never ends in seasparkle's corner. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Seeing you part 2 of when it's all finished and I'm ready to serve. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody. Okay.